Young Indians are nothing but cockroaches. This is not my personal statement, and as you all know, this is the statement of Chief Justice of India, Mr. Suryakant. On 15th May, in a court hearing, Mr. CGI described unemployed young Indians as like cockroaches who, failing to find jobs, turn to social media, journalism, RTI activism, and then they attack the system. On such derogatory remarks, he faced a massive backlash, and the very next day, he clarified that the media houses misquoted him and he is proud of Indian youth. And suddenly he said that Indian youth is the pillar of India's development. But the words have consequences. Indian youth reacted strongly. They have actually formed CJP, that is Cockroach Janata Party, because even if we are cockroaches, we do deserve representation, right? But the most crestfallen thing is that I'm not even talking about any political party, be it BJP, be it Congress. I am talking about the Chief Justice of India, who is sitting at that position where he is supposed to be unbiased and serve justice, and he is viewing all of us as cockroaches. It's a grave violation of our fundamental right, Article 21, because Supreme Court in its earlier judgments has itself clarified that Article 21, right to life, includes right to live with dignity as well. There are many people out there who are like, this is just a slip of tongue. But it's not, because such dehumanizing words are not merely a remark. It speaks volume of your mindset. If an official person is saying to us as cockroach, then what about the persons in power who have ultimate authority? For them, we are just a peck of dust and we do not have any kind of existence. And the most important thing, that what kind of system are they talking about? There are over 5 crore cases pending in the judiciary. There are lakhs of people who have been in jail for several months without proper trial. A government body can't even conduct a paper properly, which has repeatedly affected 25 to 30 lakh students. Then what about all those things? If we are the cockroaches and just filing an RTI actually bothers them so much, then why don't they themselves clear all the discrepancies in the system? Cockroach Janata Party has over 5 million followers on Instagram as of right now. Its founder is Abhijit Dipke, founded just a few days ago. But it's not merely a social media trend, it's a satire filled with grief and disappointment with the people in the system. There are allegations that the founder Abhijit Dipke was earlier associated with Aam Aadmi Party. Therefore, this movement has some hidden forces working at the back end. As per official handle of CJP, there have been several attempts to hack the account of CJP. But why? If we are mere cockroaches, why anyone out there is threatened by us? And why would they like to suppress this movement? But one thing that we as youth need to make sure is that we don't let this movement die just as a social media trend or just let it go. Because if we are actually so done with the system, with the people, with the political parties, then it's high time that we also work towards bringing a change in the country that we seek others to do. What do you think? Were these remarks by CGI appropriate? And are you a supporter of Cockroach Janata Party? Do let me know in the comment section.